Thank you very much for joining us at the LKC's James Bass Distinguished Lecture Series. We are very honored to have so many friends, colleagues, and partners from NTU Singapore, Imperial College London, National Healthcare Group, and the Healthcare Fraternity in Singapore across different parts of the world participating in this event.
Dame Sally Davies has had a huge impact as a champion of clinical research within the UK, having been the founder of the National Institute for Health Research. I don't think anyone else could have established that organisation, and I think many people are still wondering how she pulled it off. I am honoured to present to you our speaker for this occasion, Professor Dame Sally Davies.
Well, how to follow the best. If you have a health system, you need a research system that you can overlay and integrate with it. Well, this is about translation. It's really about driving change. So very interesting that as you get into the type of role I've been doing, first of all, you should never take no for an answer. Secondly, it is all about the people. And how can you persuade them that it's in their interest to do it?
Imagine in front of you there are hundreds of CEOs of hospitals in here. What would you tell us to do in order to change the system here?
It's the same message, isn't it? The cultures are one on wanting to do better and give patients better outcomes, but they're not aligned on how you do that. So I would say, be brave and make it happen.
Today was a very special lecture. Dame Sally Davies displayed such energy, enthusiasm and insights, really inspirational for all of us.
Dame Sally is inspirational for many reasons. The first is she really made research a core business of hospitals because that really improved clinical care, and she's shown that with evidence. She's shown that through the economics of it, and today during the lecture she was able to explain how she actually managed to do that.
My biggest take home from this lecture though was in the lessons that she had for Singapore, for our efforts to try and put research together, the clinical, the hospitals, and even the basic science.
The very important message that came very much upfront during this talk by Dame Sally Davies is that we always have to pay attention to the patient, patient-centric, and we want to bring the science to really benefit the patient.
This is a young medical school, and I've seen young medical schools grow and develop in the UK. You can do wonderful things, but it's hard work. And I really hope that the hospital system will go with you on this journey and contribute so that you share visions, you share staff, and you can change the world.